Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to day 2, session 3. In session 3, we are going to learn how to link style sheet CSS file with HTML file and start styling our web pages. How we can beautify our web pages. Okay, so let's start. I'm typing here git. Git is a version control that we use to create files, folders, and to manage our project. Okay, so I just press on enter, and it's right here. Let me make it full. Control plus to make it bigger and control minus to make it smaller. Okay, then I write command cd. Cd means change directory. Alright, so directory is folder. Cd change directory means we are telling it to go to a folder, or we are telling it to go to desktop. I am writing desktop means I'm telling change directory means I'm telling it to go to my desktop of my computer. Then press enter. I'm sorry, desktop, spelling mistake, cd desktop, and now we are on the desktop, and we can check what are the folders I do have on the desktop of my computer. Okay, I have Harvard projects, I have images, I have PowerPoints, software dev bootcamp 2020, I have SQE, right, and many more. So I just want to navigate to SQE. It's a folder, and let me clear it. Let's check what do I have inside the SQE. In the SQE we have SQE practice day 1 and SQE practice day 2. Now we are in day 2, so I will write cd SQE dash practice day dash 02, right? So we are going to this folder. Inside this folder, what I did make mistake, practice, there is a C, right? Let me copy it and just paste it here. Right button click and paste, click on enter, and now we are inside software quality experts practice day 2, and I type ls command and press enter, and I see what are the folders and files I do have. Okay, now I just write code space dot, press enter, and code editor will be opening, right? So what we are going to do in this third session of day 2, we are going to link CSS file. Okay, I press Ctrl B, and I can see what are the folders here and files inside the folder. Okay, and index.html is the file, and I have style.css, it's a CSS file. Okay, so what I can do, I can link it here. Always remember, let me make it a little bit, let us indent it. Okay, I press tab. Okay, and always head and body are siblings, and HTML tag is parent tag, head tag is child to HTML, and body also child. And always remember, we have to put all the metadata, all the links inside the head tags, in between head tags. Okay, then I can just link. I just write link and press on click, press on enter, and href is the file path. So to link it, we have to first write the name of the folder is CSS. Okay, press enter, then style.css. I can read, I can write, or just click enter, it will be there, and just press Ctrl S means save it. Okay, now we can check it has been linked properly. Now some of you were telling me that when you press shift and these are not popping up. To do it, what you have to do, just go here, click on extensions, and it should come by default with your download and installation of Visual Code Studio. If it doesn't come, just click on install button, like Emmet, this one, or Emmet Live, you can take this one. Okay, just install. I install it. Okay, in some of computers it comes automatically, but if it doesn't come, just go here and just write Emmet, and just click on install button, and it will be installed. And another extension you need is live server, this one. Okay, why? We need to run on live server. If you don't install it, let me uninstall. Okay, now Control B to make it larger screen, open with live server. It's giving us live. Okay, now to do it, what I have to do it, I have live share also. Live server, you have to install it. Okay, you have to install it. It's installing, then it will work, unless it will not work. Okay, then just make it not visible, just keep it here, or you can also maintain it from here. You can not visible, keep it in a